So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change Tradingview candle color. So in order to access your color settings, or rather candle color settings in this case, you'll need to go to the top part of the screen. You can see here for days, for candles, for indicators, for indicator templates, alert, replay, and your undo and redo buttons. So let's click on candles. If you see bars, candles, hollow candles, volume, and so on, so you can just click on candles to have that set up. But if you want to go into more settings, you will need to click on the right click within your chart. Then look at the very bottom of the chart by clicking on settings. And you can see symbol, status line, scales and lines, canvas, trading, alerts, and events. So by opening this, you can get to your candles, as it's called here. So you can see some different candles that you can set up. So either for body, you can see it changing in real time. You can see for borders maybe. So let's add something like this. And once you've clicked on OK, you can see the effects making their changes. You can also, or rather, you can see these affect the chart itself. You can also see some borders of that. So you can really set it up to your liking, so they stand out from other parts of the table, since they're usually the most important part. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on TradingView or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.